With you, as I recall kasi, I have a training which is raising emotional quotient before. And I just want to share to you, ang dami kasing kulay ng emotion. Anong kulay ng malungkot? Malungkot, color blue, di ba? Anong color ng galit? Galit. Red. And we want to share with you, this is our drawing, this symbolizes us. So, as a person, whatever you're going through right now, whatever your situation is, I know na hindi siya permanent. Diba? Takambya-kambyal emotion. So right now, as a leader, I want to share with you from my personal experience. Anger, which is the color red, everybody feels that. Do you agree? Lahat ba dito nakaramdam na ng galit? Yes! Galit ba kayo ngayon? Yes! Mabuti naman. Okay? So, anger is color red. Now, what do we do to change that color red into a positive tone? Ayan na, sa drawing namin, sa paligid natin, maski any minute right now, you can feel anger. Paglabas nyo dyan, meron kayong makabangga, anger na yun agad. So this negative energy, which is the red energy, is outside external factors. Pwede lang kita kontrola. Now let's bring it to our perspective as a salesman, as a person. Paano natin ma-change ang negative energy? It all starts with our self. So if you know how to manage your emotion, alam ko kasi lahat tayo nakakaramdam ng anger. So let us try to change our perspective and change that negative feeling into a positive color, which is, ano kaya color yon?
Green!
Ayan, color green. Kasi right now, kahit na mainit, which is init din symbolizes red, we feel at ease. And that is what we want to share with you. I know, sasabihin niyo, ma'am, unrato lang si Abla. Kasi ako din mismo, high blood ako, nagagalit ako. Pero as much as we look inside, as a person, i-change natin yung color na red into
Green!
red into
Green!
red into green. Ayan, so we hope na eventually we will always see green. Not just sa KPI result, but as a person. Kasi green symbolizes peace and of course, calmness. Kaya, keep. Ayan, so thank you so much, ma'am.